Hi, I'm Ben from Broil King, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Broil King Stone Grill Set. Now the Stone Grill Set, as you might assume, features a grilling stone. The smooth side of the grilling stone is designed for grilling pizzas, cookies, any items that you'd like to bake in the grill, while the ridge side on the back is designed for more delicate items like fish. Now the grill stone is set into a stainless steel grilling cradle. The cradle is actually raised off the grill so you get better convection, and also features an integrated thermometer to tell you the ideal temperature for grilling your pizza. The cradle itself is designed so that the frame on the back keeps your pizzas from sliding off of the stone when you're trying to remove them with the peel. And just like all Broil King accessories, it's made out of ultra thick, heavy duty stainless steel. The Broil King pizza peel is the ideal workstation for building a pizza. Lightly flour your pizza peel, add your crust and your toppings. Open your grill, slide your pizza onto your pizza stone, close the lid and let it bake. The extra long handle on the pizza peel keeps you out of the heat of the barbecue, but the handle itself is also detachable for easy storage. When your pizza is done grilling on your grill, take your pizza peel, slide it underneath your pizza. The contoured edge and beveled lip on the pizza peel will allow you to slide all the way to the back of the cradle to pick up the whole pizza confidently. For more information on Broil King accessories, or to learn more about other Broil King products, visit your local Broil King dealer or visit BroilKingBBQ.com.